गुड मॉर्निंग वर्ल्ड। जगाना चाहता हूँ, खुद जागने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। ओटू पार्क के साथ हम लवासा के नियर बाय हैं और ग्रीन गुरुकुलम की कुछ चर्चा हो रही है, साइट विजिट हो रही है, दिखाता हूँ मैं। बहुत ही प्रकृति खूबसूरत है। यस, वाह। गुड मॉर्निंग एंजल।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार। ग्रीन गुरुकुलम क्या है, यह हम सबकी जिज्ञासा है, बताइए।
ओके, द ग्रीन गुरुकुलम कॉन्सेप्ट टू स्टार्ट विथ, जो लोकेशन आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे,
ओके।
व्हाट अबाउट स्टडीइंग इन अ प्लेस विच इज़ लाइक दिस? दैट इज़ वन थिंग इज ग्रीन
Okay.
गुरुकुलम. Secondly, we don't want to make the structures of the parks of cement and concrete
Okay.
in such beautiful virgin place. So the infrastructure for such Gurukulam will be the infrastructure for such Gurukulam will be something which goes with the nature,
Yes.
something which is very much vernacular to the place, or something which can withstand these kind of natural thing.
Yes.
So what we find is bamboo, the stones, these clay, gobar, adobe, all such things, straws, haze, such things can be utilized for making the infrastructure.
Okay.
But when we think about such thing, we always think about a झोपड़ी. अच्छा, बैम्बू का है तो एक झोपड़ी होगा और एक झोपड़ी में होगा.
सोच वहीं तक है अभी.
Yes, so we want to bring out to you that bamboo ka infrastructure or something which is vernacular to this place is not a झोपड़ी.
Yes.
But can be a real huge structure which will fit in with the nature,
Okay.
which is not going to spoil the nature, and complete studies and the talents will be grown here.
Okay.
And this we want to actually, when we call it green gurukulam, we want to combine the concept of nature with a concept of gurukulam, the traditional Indian way of teaching,
Okay.
but making it to an international level.
Good.
So that is the stage which we are now looking at, and that's how we are here to see the location and how beautifully we can fit in our things in this particular area. This will have all the state of the art infrastructure, whether it's talk about sports or education or talk about any field in science or humanities, everywhere.
Okay.
So this is what is the thought process, and the more emphasis will be on the natural things, the conservation of energy, the sustainability. These will be the aspects which will be looked forward to, which will be taught to the children. They have to be, they will be inculcated the habit of how best we can do out of the waste, and why should we not waste anything.
Okay.
So that is the concept. So let's see how it comes up. We have a good team, so hopefully.
थैंक यू
things are
एंजल.
going to come.
काफ़ी दिनों से भारत ही नहीं, भारत के बाहर के भी पूछ रहे थे कि गुरुकुलम तक हम पहुँचे हैं, गुरुकुलम हमने देखा है, समझा है, अभी ओटू लेके आ रहा है ग्रीन गुरुकुलम, तो वही मुझे उन तक पहुँचाना था.
Yes.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
Prep talk.
No, unprep.
हाँ, unprep.